This is another video on MI2 on YouTube. This video is going to be called How to Ride it. How to ruin a child's bicycle rides. Yay! Let's get started! There's going to be 10 steps. So, this is part 1. This is how to ruin a child's bicycle ride. Step 1. The mountain. Hey kid,
yeah.
See when you're going up that ramp?
Yeah.
It's like Mount Everest. A lot of people die.
Step 2 in how to ruin a child's bike ride. Hey kid,
Yeah?
see that ramp?
Yeah, that one.
It's like Mount Everest. Loads of people fall on it, and you'll keep falling forever and ever and ever.
Step 3 of how to ruin a child's bike ride. This is called the dizzy. Hey kid, you know if you go round in circles like that, you're going to get a dizzy head and fall off.
Like this.
Exactly like that.
Step 4 in how to ruin a child's bike ride. Hey kid,
Yeah?
you know if you sneeze on that bike, that helmet will be flying off your head,
No, it won't.
and then you'll fly off as well. Uh-oh.
This is step 5 of how to ruin a child's bicycle ride. Hey kid, you're gonna crash, you're gonna crash, you're gonna crash, you're gonna crash. You crashed.
I kinda did. Step 6 on how to ruin a child's bike ride. Hey kid, you know if you go that slow you're gonna fall off?
I'm not gonna fall off.
You kinda did.
I didn't.
Bye.
Step 7. Scare the child. Boom! I scared the child.
Step 8. If they bounce too high, they're gonna fall. Hey kid, see if you bounce like that, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall over. You're gonna fall over.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
What's the new bike, Ellie?
Step 9 of how to ruin a child's life. Tell them they're gonna fall on a stick. Hey kid, you're gonna fall on that stick. You're still gonna fall. You're gonna fall. She fell.